Hello, my name is Lauren Gallagher. In this short video, we will be talking about prompting and applied behavior analysis. Within this video, we will discuss what is a prompt, why is prompting important, what are the 7 types of prompts, and the progression of prompting hierarchy. Well, first, let's start with what is prompting. Prompting is providing assistance or cues to encourage another to use or acquire a skill or desired behavior which otherwise would not occur. Prompting is important because it's teaching a method to progress a client from an incorrect response to a correct response. This increases the rate of responding and assists the client to learn efficiently. There are 7 types of prompts. These are a full physical, a partial physical, a model, gestural, verbal, visual, which is also known as positional prompting, and independent. The 7 types of prompts, including examples, will be provided. The first will be a full physical prompt. A full physical prompt is where the teacher or clinician provides physical contact to guide the learner through the entire requested activity. An example is as follows. Touch blue. Good job touching blue. A partial physical prompt is where the teacher or clinician provides some assistance to guide the client through the requested activity. An example is, touch yellow. Good job touching yellow. A model prompt is where the teacher or clinician demonstrates the entire response. An example is, clap your hands. Good job clapping your hands. Another prompt is a gestural prompt. This can include pointing, nodding, or any other type of action that the learner can watch the teacher or clinician do. An example of this is, touch pink. Good job touching pink. A verbal prompt is where the teacher or clinician can provide the client with spoken, complete response to the question just asked. An example is, what color? Orange.
Orange.
Good job saying orange. A positional prompt is also called a visual, and this is where the teacher or clinician will position the correct stimulus closest to the learner. An example of this is, touch blue. Good job touching blue. And lastly is independent. An independent is where the learner is able to perform the skill without any additional assistance. So this will look as, touch orange. Good job touching orange. After each prompt level was discussed, an example was provided. Within each example, a verbal reinforcement was delivered directly after the target skill was displayed. This is to encourage the behavior to happen within the future. This slide being displayed shows all the prompts and the progression of the hierarchy. If you take a look on your right, the arrow is pointing up from full physical, and this is most to least prompting. This is where you would start depending on your prescribed prompt and start at a full physical, partial physical, and continue going on. And most to least prompting is the most effective for clients who lack the required skills to accomplish a task. The prompting provides the most intrusive form of prompting, then gradually fades to lower prompts as the client masters the skill or behavior. As you see on your left, with the arrow starting at independent and then pointing down, it says least to most prompting. Now this starts at independent, and depending on your prescribed prompt, depends on where you would go from there. You could see an independent, to a gesture, to a partial physical, to a full physical. With least to most prompting, this is the most effective for clients who demonstrate the prerequisite skill required to fulfill a task, but are not performing that task. The next slide, which will be displayed, will be the references. These are the references used within this short video to discuss prompting in applied behavior analysis. I hope this helps further your understanding of prompts and prompt levels in applied behavior analysis. Thank you for watching.